My rent is almost $2,000 a month. How many customers do you think I need every single month to pay that rent? 5. If you're someone who's trying to make money online, I'm going to tell you my secret weapon that took me from just posting to profiting in only 14 days. Let's play a little game, run a little exercise. I want you to close your eyes and imagine what it would feel like to wake up tomorrow with an extra $1,000 in your bank account. Pretty good, right? Yeah, no matter who you are, who couldn't use an extra $1,000, right? Now, close your eyes again and imagine your bank account balance being the exact same tomorrow as it was today. That feels less good, right? All right, but these are the two paths that you have. One road leads you to peace and prosperity and growth. The other path leads you right back to where you are right now. Same bank account, same apartment, same car, same old, same old. If you're cool with living in that loop for the next year, 5 years, 10 years, go ahead and close out of this video right now. You can go ahead and exit left. I'm not talking to people who are comforted by the bare minimum and cheap thrills. This video is only for those of us who are done playing small, done being manipulated, done being controlled, done being overlooked, and done being stuck in survival mode. Michael Green, a portfolio manager and chief strategist at a company called Simplify Asset Management, recently just kind of broke the internet when he said that after years of managing finances, he can confidently say the American poverty line is $100,000. What that means is if you live in America and you want to live at least a middle-class lifestyle, you need to make at least $100,000 every single year. I don't know about you, but my goal is not to be poor here. Let's set the mark a little higher at $120,000 a year. That's $10,000 per month or $333 per day. That is so exciting to me because when you break it down like that, you see, actually, that's pretty achievable, especially if, and this is a big if, you have the right product or products. Let's say you do what I did at the very beginning. You create an ebook guide based on your professional or personal expertise and knowledge. You sell it for $33. Okay, cool. So in order to hit your goal of $333 a day, you have to sell 10 books per day. Now, that's not a whole lot, but I can tell you from experience that having the visibility and credibility to sell 10 books every single day consistently either takes a lot of time if you're building organically or a lot of money if you're scaling with ads. Just generating $1,000 with a product that costs $33 means you have to sell 30 units. Now, don't get me wrong, 30 units is doable. I have sold 30 units 30 times, literally. It simply takes more time, right? I was running my business for 6 months before it generated a single penny. That is a long slog, okay? And honestly, it took me investing about $1,000 before the sales ball actually really got rolling. And honestly, that's the whole point of this video, right? I'm making this video so you can learn in a few minutes what took me months to figure out, which is stop selling low-priced products. I'm telling you, it sounds crazy as someone who just ran it up on low price products. And I will continue to do that, but this video is about speed and scale, right? How can you make the most, the quickest? I'm going to show you exactly how. Because here's what I had to figure out. You are not Amazon. You are not Dollar General. You are not Dollar Tree. You are not Walmart. You don't have the brand recognition, the liquid capital, or the vertical integration to make low price products worth it for you, especially when there's another option, right? There's another avenue. And let me be clear, once again, this is just about the beginning of your journey, making money online quickly. What I'm talking about right now is capital generation so that you can then fund a different business, like a deeper project, right? That's more of a passion and project. Say you want to make clothes, or say you want to make skincare, say you want to make makeup, say you want to sell hair. This is kind of the fund for that. This is how you generate capital. Instead of going on like Shark Tank, you can do this. That's how I look at this option. So this is solely about if I needed $1,000 by next Friday, here's what I would do. And honestly, this is exactly what I did. But disclaimer. Before I dive into this, I am not promising or offering anybody any money. This is not a get rich quick scheme. This is a get capital quickly plan. This is not even an opportunity that everyone can afford. This is not an opportunity that everyone will be smart enough to understand and take advantage of, honestly. This is not for everyone. I'm simply telling you what worked for me. I'm giving you the boat, bait, and tackle, but it is still up to you to get out on that water and fish, okay? When my business was making $0, I was waiting table to make ends meet. And I actually used part of my pay from the restaurant to buy the Create Faceless Wealth course. Back when I bought it, it was actually $387. Now it's jumped up to $487 because that's how high the demand is for this product. It's getting kind of insane. Basically, the course teaches you how to build a profitable faceless business, top to bottom, from the ground up. It teaches you branding, message clarity, sales psychology, high converting copy, social media strategy, and so much more. The course was originally just for faceless creators, meaning you want to build a business without showing your face, name, or lifestyle, but it does actually work for face-forward businesses as well. What I love about CFW is that it hands you everything you need to either build a successful business or fix the mistakes in your pre-existing one. I personally used it for the latter reason, and within 2 weeks of implementing CFW strategies, I made 10 sales. 10 sales after 0 for months. 10 sales is not a lot. I know that. But it was like this life-changing proof of concept for me, and it was enough for me to go all in on my business, period. I kept studying, kept implementing, and I sold 10 books in August, and by November, I'd sold 510 books. I made over $20,000 in 1 month. 1 month after 0 for months. Obviously, that doesn't make me rich, doesn't make me anywhere near rich. Most of that just went to paying off debts and bills and my move that I'm making. But the point is, seeing it, doing it, feeling it, actually completing that mission changed my life. It changed everything about me, mentally, financially, everything. It was just like, let's fucking go. And so now I've got a taste for it. I've got a feel for it. I have proven to myself I am safe earning, holding, having large amounts of money. I can do this. Let's go. And so like as I'm celebrating, I'm feeling this uncomfortable pull, this like kind of stinging realization. I'm selling myself short here. If I can sell over 500 low price products in a month, why am I not selling the mid-price product that I have just sitting on a dusty digital shelf? I was literally sleeping on the most profitable digital asset that I own, which is the Create Faceless Wealth course itself. And yes, I know resale courses have a lot of haters, baby. I was one of them until that check hit. Okay, let me explain. For me, it was truly just a mix of skepticism, jealousy, and like a lack of self-confidence. I was like, whatever, they're probably lying about making all that money. And even if they aren't lying about making all that money, I don't think I could make all that money doing it. So like, F them, basically. Like, such a loser mentality. Like, thank God I am not who I've been. Amen? Amen. Really, I was just never a fan of buying a course to resell a course because 1, I didn't really understand how the business model worked. 2, I genuinely did buy the course to learn from it, to fix my own products and my own business. I love my Confidence brand. It means everything to me, and I will continue to grow and develop, change and evolve Confidence and scale it. But also, I have this really great opportunity to sell this product and kind of fund all of my Confidence plans. All that being said, as Anya Havita, the brains behind the Confidence brand, I feel like I have every right to talk about what I've built and, what tools aided in that success. Financial ignorance is not bliss. Especially as a woman, you have to have your own. You have to be able to fund your own lifestyle so that you're never at the mercy of a man, never at the mercy mercy of a job, never at the mercy of others, period. So here we are. Yes, CFW is a resale course that you can resell after purchase and earn, guess how much? 85% commission. Now let's talk numbers real quick. Okay, I'll put it right here too, so nobody gets left behind. You get 85% commission on every CFW course that you sell. Now remember, CFW is $487, so 85% of that means you earn $414 per sale from one sale. One. For me to make $400 with my low price products means I have to sell 10 units. That's a 10-to-1 return on your effort with CFW. Remember that math we did a little bit earlier? In order to make $120,000 a year, you need to make $10,000 a month, and to make $10,000 a month, you need to make $333 per day. With CFW, you were earning $414 per sale. One course per day equals $12,420 per month. That's $2,000 more than the original goal of $10,000 a month. What that means is to hit that goal of $10,000 per month, you only need to sell 24 units in the month. That means you can go a whole week without a sale and still be making six figures. Do you see it now? Making $100,000 a year is not a fantasy, it's a formula. Earning $1,000 in a week is much more achievable when you only need to sell 3 units as opposed to 100. Mid-price products are the way, the truth, the light, if you ask me, honey. And the CFW course is literally the most powerful asset that I own. It's a forever asset. So even if I take a break, I can always come back and use this product to generate $400 at any given moment. To me, that makes CFW so valuable, so powerful, and a no-brainer. But let me be clear. CFW is not for people who are insecure. CFW is not for people who are inconsistent. CFW is not for people who are comfortable stuck in survival mode. CFW is for people who are ready to win, ready to commit to living at a higher level, ready to break free from the financial traps that profit off of us having a lack of capital and a lot of ignorance when it comes to financial matters. I am speaking to the people who have decided I will not be manipulated by money anymore. I will not be disrespected just in exchange for money. When I have the smarts, I have the tools, and I have the belief in my own self-worth to go out and find another way, a better way to make money. We will be financially free in 2026 and beyond. And I know you may be thinking, I'm a winner, I'm ready to go, but I don't know if I have money for this right now. Would I be wrong if I said lack of money is exactly why we're having this conversation to begin with? Isn't you being afraid to spend a few $100s exactly why you need to find a real path to profits and prosperity? 6 months ago, I invested almost $400 out of a $700 paycheck. 5 months later, I made over $23,000 in 1 month. You do the math and tell me if it adds up for you. And I know you may have tried other paths, other programs, but to that I say ask yourself, how long are you going to keep trying what doesn't work? CFW has thousands of testimonials, thousands. It's not just me. You can go look on any platform right now and you will find thousands of other girls whose CFW has literally changed their lives by changing their finances. I mean, just ask yourself, how long am I going to guess my way through and burn myself out? The systems, the strategies, the sales psychology that it takes to build a successful online business is one decision away. One click away. The impact is real. The opportunity is available. Now is where you decide who you really are and what you really want. You're free to keep spinning your wheels, trying to figure it all out on your own, or you can skip months of exhausting, expensive trial and error and learn what it takes to build a successful business from the beginning. You can learn more about CFW in my bio. I will leave it linked below and in the comments.